Hi everyone, welcome to Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Edward Jones credit card online. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.edwardjonescreditcard.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this login portal. To log in and access your Edward Jones credit card, go ahead and enter your personal ID in the left-hand side of the screen. Make sure to type in your information correct. In case you don't remember your personal ID, click on Forgot Your Personal ID link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for it. Once you type in your ID, click Continue. On the next page, answer your ID Shield question. Enter your answer in the text box and click the Next button in order to access and log into your Edward Jones credit card. If you don't remember your answer, you can also get help by clicking on this Forgot Your Answer link and follow the on-screen prompts. That was how you can easily log into Edward Jones credit card. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.